welcome back to another video of haunt building. A little bit ago you saw my inflatables. That is haunt building. It's my first year collecting animatronics, so this is my only animatronic as of right now, but haunt building, so I'm going to show a quick demo of one of her phrases, and then I'm going to put her outside and get her ready for Halloween. So, yeah. So why don't we get started with that?
Hello, do you want to come play with me? Do you like my dolly? You can hold her if you want. But don't upset her. Don't make her cry. Now you've done it. Time for you to be put into timeout. Say goodbye to this reality.
Alright guys, now it's time to bring her outside in this windy Michigan weather today. But we're still going to do it. We can always bring her back inside if it gets too windy. Alright, haunt building. So, yeah, I actually am just going to, real quick, bump your head, bringing her upstairs. So I'm going to undo her head real quick, if I can. Find the plug. If I even know how to take off her head. Alright, so gotta undo this plug. Alright, you know what? We can do this guy later, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my Grim Reaper unboxing video. Remember, Home Depot, great animatronic. It's called Sitter of Souls. Haunt Building Part 2. Thanks for watching. This was Giuseppe. James isn't here today. Anyways, bye!